Hi everyone, nice to meet you in my channel. Welcome back to my channel Mathland. Today we're gonna study the question that I posted in WhatsApp channel. Of course, you can look at my WhatsApp channel. I will let the link in the comments in the comment section. You can find the link for my WhatsApp channel, for my TikTok channel and Instagram channel. I posting very interesting questions there. You can look, and after that I will explain it at YouTube channel. But you can look another proofs of some formulas. You can look some maths in about mathematics and so on. Today I posted one question from Junior Balkan Maths Olympiad 2023. It was the grade num and it was number theory 1. You can find it at the internet of also. It says that find all pairs AB of positive integers such that a factorial plus b and b factorial plus a are both powers of 5. Okay, let's start the question. It says that there are positive integers. What does it mean? It means that a and b is bigger than 0. They are not negative. It means then it says that a factorial plus b is the sum power of 5, or let's say 5 power of x, and another part b factorial plus a factorial, let's say it is 5 power of y. Okay, there is a powers of 5. Firstly, let's firstly find some solutions firstly. For example, if we write to a 4 and for b 1. Oh, yes, that's right. 4 factorial is 24. If you don't know the meaning of factorial, for example, n factorial is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied dot until the n. It is the meaning of factorial. Okay, let's continue. Factorial 4, it is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 4. It makes 24. 24 plus 1, it is a power of 5. It is 5 squared. And another part, 1 factorial plus 4, it's also 5, which means it's 5 power of 1. But if we can write it like this, we also can write it like this. It is symmetrical. We can say these two are cyclic. We can write a as 1 and b as 4. Yes, that one is also correct. It will make same thing. Find already two solutions. But now let's look some expression. Let's take log without loss of generativity. Let's take that, for example, a is bigger or equal to 5. What does it mean? A factorial can be 5 factorial, can be 6 factorial, it can be 7 factorial, and it go until which number you will choose. And always there will be 5. Of course, we'll write it 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. And always there will be a 5 here. In 6, we'll like multiplying. Of course, it will be divisible by 5. Okay, we take a as a bigger or equal to 5. Okay, we understand this part, then continue. A factorial plus b equal to 5 power of x. And if we take such kind of equation, like we know it's bigger than 5, then let's look at mod 5. Yes, mod 5. Mod of 5. Mod of 5, where this part will give 0 to us. 0. It is equivalent. a is bigger than or equal to 5, it means that it's divisible by 5. Of course, it will make again 0 plus b. It means like b is equivalent to 0. What we get from this? We get that b is divisible by 5. B always divisible by 5. Let's look another fraction. B factorial plus a is a power of 5. We know that b is a number which is divisible by 5. It means it will be not 6 factorial. It is not gonna be 7 factorial. It will be 5 factorial. For example, it can be 10 factorial. It can be, for example, 15 factorial, like that. And it will also divisible by 5. Let's look again at mod 5. Okay, this part will make 0 again. Oh, sorry, this part again will give us a 0. It is equivalent. B will give also 0 plus a. We got a, and if a is equivalent also to 0 at mod 5, it also means that a is divisible by 5. What we get from this fraction? We get that a and b are divisible by 5. If, of course, in the state of that a is bigger or equal to 5. Of course, if it's under of 5, we will get this part like a4b1 and a1b4. Okay, let's continue. Then let's after that let's write some, for example, for some examples. For example, 5 5, a is also equal to 5 and b is also equal to 5. What does it make? 5 factorial. Of course it's symmetric. If we write like b5 a5, it will be same thing. B factorial plus 5 is equal to 5 power of x. If we take 5 from this number, 5, we'll get there 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, because we take 5. We take 5 from here, and it will stay 24, and this part will make 1. Okay, that's good. We get 5 multiplied by 25. What does it mean? It means 5 multiplied by 5 square. And it's power of 5, of course. It will make 5 cube. It's another solution of this equation. Let's then look another part. If we say that a is 5, b is 10. Let's look like b factorial plus 10 some power. Okay. 5 out of the 24 plus the this kind of we can't get, because it's not divisible by 5. It already means that it's not power of 5, because there is a contradiction, we can say. Okay, let's prove that there is no other solution from this and another first two ones. Okay, let's prove that. Let's write proof why we only have 3 solutions there. Let's take that we need to get, if we want to get all 5s, this part is also need to be for example, if I write like 5 plus x plus y, for example, I write it need to be divisible. This sum need to be divisible by 5. This sum need to be divisible by 5. Of course we can find, but I will now prove that there is no other powers like. For example, if we need to get as such many as the factorial, when we have factorials at 5. If we don't get, for example, if we write 25 factorial, not 25, it's bigger number. Let's write 10 factorial plus 5. We have there 2 5s, because it is the multiplication from 1 to 10. And if we write it like this, you can see there is a 2 5, 1 5 for there, another 5 for them, because we can write 10 as a 5 multiplied by 2. Yes, we can write it is also like this. There is 2 5s. If we take 1 5 out of here, what we will get? We'll get the rest, and the rest we have there is again, for example, get this, delete this file, and we still has this part. It means that this part is divisible by 5, and we'll like write +1, and it will not make a power of 5 because it's bigger one more time at mod 5. Okay, we understand this part that we need to find as much 5s. For example, we can get 15 factorial. 15 factorial, there's 3 5s, like 5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 15. What does it mean? We need 3 5s, like 5 cube. If we take out of 5 cube, we will get equation. Of course, I will not calculate because it makes big numbers, but it will make contradiction. You say why? Even if it makes the power of 5, we have another statement. We don't only have a factorial plus b need to be a power of 5. We also have that b factorial plus a need to be power of 5. And if we if we change the place, 125 factorial plus 15. There is many 5s that there is only one 5, and there is many 5s, and it will not get correct. Anything you wrote will be same thing. For example, you will say take same thing. For example, we take 25 plus 25 factorial. There is many 5s. There are 5 cube we have. We have 4 finds before. We have 5 power of 6 in this number, and it is only 5 of a square. And we'll come to this position again, and we'll find that there is one remainder that will make 1 at mod 5, which is contradiction. Okay, we proved that there is only 3 solutions of this question, and we proved that there is a contradiction if we want to take the number bigger or equal to 5, not only bigger. If we'll take bigger than 5, A and B, we'll find contradiction. The answer is A is A1, B4. The symmetric of this A4, B1, and of course A5, B5. Okay, that wasn't easy question. You need to think. It's number theory. You need to prove that there is no other solutions there to write the answer. If you write like I found the 3 solution, I will write this. No, that's incorrect. You need to prove that why there is no other variants can be here. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, and comment if you have any questions. See you on next video.